Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So we've been checking out these really interesting scissors by Tansung. We were able to use them over Thanksgiving and really give them a good try, you know, cutting bones and vegetables. And doing that, it really worked well. However, I will show you real quick other things as far as like cutting paper or like opening some like plastic packages. I had a little bit of trouble. It's not doing too bad right now, but if you don't hit it exactly right, it doesn't want to cut. So I was like, what is going on here? That should not happen. Now it's because of just how it's all angled and the different features these scissors have. So you're going to want to put it all the way back and cut using that. So if you're looking for scissors that are going to cut all the way like traditional ones, then especially on paper and things, it's not for you, because I was getting really frustrated trying to open up a bag of, like, you know, frozen vegetables and try to just cut it, and it would not cut. I was like, what is going on here? And that's what it was. I really had to go back onto the scissor. But as far as, you know, locking them in place, it worked really good. Cutting flowers with them was really nice. And just the grip overall was fine. I will say it was a little slippery actually when working with the turkey. You know, all the juices kind of running, so just keep that in mind. I would like to see maybe a little spot for the thumb here to kind of keep it locked in place. But then we have the bottle opener on the back. I did not use the fish scale feature, but I did use the feature of where, actually, if I show it here, so if I show it where it comes apart, makes it nice and easy to clean and wash. So if you're looking for new kitchen shears, not so much crafting shears, I think this would be a really good addition to your set. However, if you're looking for something that can be used for crafting, I don't think so. And look at that, now I can't get the thing, oh, there it goes. All right, that was my fault. So putting it back in was, well, a little difficult right there, not a big deal. But overall, nice design, good kitchen shears if you're looking to add that with a lot of different features to it. Decent weight to it, and the knife seemed plenty sharp. It does say that it is self-sharpening, so that is pretty cool as well. So there you go, that's a Tansung kitchen shears. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.